In this video, I will show you how to invite someone to book your property on VRBO. To do this, you need to log on to VRBO from your computer. Once you are logged in, just go down here and click on Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Once you are on the hosting dashboard, just choose the listing you want to send the invite for. And once the listing is loaded, click on Calendar, which is the third option on the left. This will open up your property calendar. The first thing to do is choose the dates you want to send them an invite for. So let's say if you want to send an invite for these 4 nights, choose them and then click on Bookings and Blocks on the right side. And here you will see Add Booking option. Click on that. And there the first box is showing the dates you have chosen. You can enter the name, the last name of the person and their email address. And then you can choose the number of people they will have in their group. And you can type your private note if you want to have some comments about that reservation. And once you have added all the details, you can just send them this send payment request, which will be enabled once you have added all these details. And after that, what it does is it will send an invite to that person. The price of the reservation will be the same of the dates you have chosen. Okay, whatever is your calendar price, VRBO will add its own taxes and fees and charges and send them an invite to book. If you want to offer them a discount, first you need to go into these individual dates and change their price. And then you can send them an invite that will send them a specific invite for those dates with a specific price. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something. Until next time, bye-bye.